Do you want to know without a doubt that the food you're feeding your family is natural and without pesticides and growth hormones? Do you think it's important to have the ability to be able to grow your own food and make sure that we're preserving the skill sets and traditions for future generations? When you join the Pioneering Today Academy, you get instant access to all of our videos, step-by-step tutorials that show you exactly how to raise your own food, from picking your garden spot to using organic practices to grow your own food, harvesting and preserving, and how to prepare those meals for your family. You are joining a community of hundreds of others who are doing this exact same thing. You are providing healthy food for your family, teaching your children valuable skill sets that are almost being lost in today's modern age and we so desperately need. You will no longer have to worry about hidden food additives because you know exactly what's in your food because you grew it yourself. So if you are fed up with the chemicals and the additives that are saturating your food and ready to get back to the basic and simple ways of doing things, then click on the button below to join the Pioneering Today Academy. We can't wait to see you on the inside.